Hello guys, welcome to Fluid Mechanics 1 class. Today we're gonna work on the last exercise, the exercise D. In this exercise we're gonna take the readings of the head loss and differential head from the differential head devices such as the Venturi meter, orifice plate and pita tube. In general, the Venturi meter and orifice plate are used to measure the flow rate of the water in the pipe. The pita tube is used to measure water velocity. In this exercise, I will not show the process of the taking readings, but I will show how to do that. So first of all, let's begin with Venturi meter. Let's connect in the Venturi meter, so there are like 3 tappings. So H1 and H2 is for differential head, and H2 and H3 for head loss across the Venturi meter. And here the same here in the orifice plate, H1 and H2 for differential head, and H2 and H3 for head loss across the orifice plate. So first of all, to calculate the flow rate, we have to measure the differential head. So connect the tube from the manometer to the H1 and H2 over here, and take the readings for differential head, and then connect to take the head loss, connect the tubes to H2 and H3. So the same here. First of all, connect to H1 and H2, and then H2 to H3. And for pita tube, we have to connect to H1 and H2. So there are just only two tappings. Connect to H1, and here connect to H2. That's it. And take the readings at a different flow rate, and make sure that the pita tube arm should be aligned, and at the maximal flow rate. In this case I took 0.46 liters per second, and take the readings at different pita tube arm position. So first of all, take for when the pita tube arm at the top, then just below of the top, and then at the center, then below center like a little bit, then at the bottom. There will be like overall 5 readings. So when you finish, just turn off the pump and take off the tubes from the tappings. That's it. Now our exercise is finished.